elements. Now, problem 8.9. Permanganate ion reacts with bromide ion in basic medium to give manganese dioxide and bromate ion BrO3-1. Write the balanced ionic equation for the reaction. So step 1 is, first of all we have to write balanced reaction. Permanganate ion means MnO4 aqueous plus Br aqueous. It gives, which product is this? MnO2, manganese dioxide, plus BrO3 -1 aqueous. Formula is correct, just you check it. Correct formula for each of reactant and product, write oxidation number. So step 1 is we going on in a basic medium. Just you see, it's which medium is that? Basic medium. So first of all, we have to write oxidation number of all the elements. So first of all, write down 4 to 8 minus 1 plus 7 oxygen minus 2 bromine minus 1 2 to the here plus 4 oxygen minus 2 bromine 3 to the 6 minus 1 plus 5 and oxygen here minus 2. Okay, and when it is considers change, this you see minus 2 and this minus 2 are not considered, but plus 7 minus 1 plus 4 and plus 5. This change is there. You write it once again this reaction. You write it once again this reaction by removing this minus 2. Okay, particular number you have to remove. So this is your starting of step 2. Identify atom which undergoes change in oxidation number. So this is going our change in oxidation number. So plus 7 to plus 4. This is see, Mn is here and Mn is here, and that's why it is a change. And this MnO4 minus, you know that potassium permanganate is a well oxidizing agent, and this Br minus undergoes reducing agent. Okay, so here you have to understand plus 7 plus 4. Okay, and another is minus 1 and plus 5. Just you see here Mn and here Br, their oxidation number is changed. You write it completely according to step 1, step 2. Now I am considering step 3. So in step 3 what happened? Balance. First of all, we have to change in oxidation number. Plus 7 to plus 4. Plus 7 to plus 4 means what? Plus 7 to plus 4 means what? Decreasing oxidation number, and that is minus 3. And this is nothing but reduction reaction. Okay. Now, minus 1 to plus 5. Here you remember minus 1, 0. So it's a 1, and 1 to 5. 5 plus 1, that is 6. So here plus 6. Here Br minus 1, here BrO3 minus 1. Br is only one atom, and that's why it's not required to balance it. Okay, so don't forget this. Now, here minus 2, this undergoes which reaction? Oxidation reaction. Okay, so we have to balance this minus 3 and plus 6. Don't bother about symbol, sign. Okay, plus and minus, it indicates reduction and oxidation reaction, but we have to multiply with here 2. So here minus 6 and here plus 6. So this, whatever the effect is there, you have to multiply with this 2 at this position and this position. Arrow shows the reaction. At which arrow multiply by 2? It is a very, very important. So I write once again this reaction. 2 MnO4 minus aqueous plus Br minus 1 aqueous, it gives MnO2 solid plus here MnO2 solid is there, but here you have to multiply with which number? 2. Don't forget to write 2, otherwise it is not in a balanced form. Br3 minus 1 aqueous. Okay. So this is your balance particular reaction or according to change in oxidation number. Okay. Now we have to check charge. So 2 into minus 1, so minus 2, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. And here charge is 2 into 0, so here 0. If there is no any charge given, that means it's a neutral, so it's a not 2 into 0, that's 0. And 1 into minus 1, so minus 1. So all our charge is minus 1. Reaction in which medium? Basic medium. And which side we have to add? Minus sign. Minus sign. So this number and sign become same. So I said suppose I am adding here minus 2 at that time. Minus 3 is there. Here also minus 3. Sign is also same. Number is also same. So once again I write it here. 2 2OH minus 1. Do not consider 20. This is a 2OH hydroxide ion. So charge is also balanced. Now we balance hydrogen and oxygen atom, which is considered as spectral atom. Hydrogen at here, there is any hydrogen, no hydrogen, write down 0. Oxygen 4 to the 8. Just you see 4 oxygen is there, but it's multiplied with 2. So 4 to the 8. Here hydrogen is there. How many hydrogen is there? 2. Just you see here not hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen. Oxygen 2 plus 3 5, 5 and 2 plus 2, that is total 9. How many oxygen is there? Total here 9 oxygen is there. Okay. So just you see at which position we have to add. This number is big number, 0 and 2, 2 number is big. So here if we plus 2, we add 2, so this number is same. And here if we add 1, then this number is also same. This is 9. Okay. So here 2 and here 9. So which particular number we added? 2 and 1 is there. So H2 and O. So H2O we have to add on which side? Reactant side plus H2O liquid. So this is nothing but your balanced redox reaction. So once again you have to write H2O plus 2MnO4 minus, this is a minus, aqueous plus Br minus 1 aqueous, it gives 2 MnO2 solid plus Br3 minus 1 aqueous plus 2 OH minus aqueous. Just you see here manganese, then Br, then hydrogen, oxygen, and next is charge. How many Mn is there on the reactant side? 2 Mn. So write down here 2, here also product side 2. This is known as reactant and this is known as product. You already know this one. Bromine, here minus here 1, sorry, and here bromine 1. Hydrogen, just you check, 2 hydrogen is there. Here also hydrogen is 2. Oxygen, oxygen is, just you check it here. How many oxygen is there? 9. 2. Okay, oxygen is 1. Okay, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1, 9 oxygen. And here 2 to the 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Charge is, what is the balance charge is minus 3. Just you see, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. And here 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. If you complete just like this way, then you got full out of full marks. You have to write this step in a sentences also, and then you write reaction also. Step 1 reaction, step 2 reaction, step 3 reaction, step 4 reaction, and step 5 reaction. And this balance all particular atom. You have to write all elemented here and charge and balance it. So you got 5 out of 5 marks. Okay. So this is all about balancing of redox reaction in basic medium. And another in lecture number 6 we already completed acidic medium. Okay. So make a screenshot of this. Okay, now balance redox reaction. H2O2 plus Fe plus 2, it gives Fe plus 3 aqueous plus H2O liquid. Okay, acidic medium. This is in your exercise 8.18, and reaction number C is there, balance redox reaction. Okay, so first of all, step 1 you have to write it, and H2O2 aqueous plus Fe plus T2 aqueous, it gives Fe plus 3 aqueous plus H2O liquid. Write down oxidation number of all the element present in this reaction, and acidic medium is there. So hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 1. Here you see this oxygen is not spectator atom. There is a oxidation number is changed. Here plus 2, here plus 3, here plus 1, and oxygen minus 2. Rule number, just you see, second is there, charge is the oxidation number, here also charge is oxidation number. So you have to consider this one, which is not change. Just you see, plus 1 and here plus 1 is not change. Okay, so we put box on minus 1 and here minus 2, plus 2 and here plus 3. Okay, so you have to write here same way. Oxygen is there, minus 1 to minus 2. Step 3, calculate the increasing or decreasing oxidation number per atom. So minus 1 is there, minus 2 is there. So minus 1 to minus 2, that means what? It is a minus 1. It is reduced. Okay, and that's why it is considered as reduction reaction. Okay, but just you see, oxygen is a not spectator atom. Oxygen is here 2, here oxygen is only 1. Once again I repeat, if oxygen or say hydrogen, if they are not spectator atom, then you have to balance it. Okay, so just see O2 is there, so here multiply with 2. Okay, so here also multiply with 2. So here total oxidation number change is minus 2. Same way, plus 2 to plus 3 is very simple. Here you have to multiply 2 to 3, that means plus 1, and this is nothing but oxidation reaction. Okay, plus indicate oxidation and minus indicate reduction. Remember by this way. Okay, so plus 1 is there. So plus 1 is there, here minus 2 is there. Don't bother about sign, but you bother about the number. Minus 2 is there, here plus 1 is there. So here you have to multiply with 2. So this number and this number become same. Here 2 into plus 1, that is plus 2, and minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. So all our reaction I write it once again. Just you see, here you have to multiply with 2. Here also multiply with 2. We have already multiplied with 2 by this process. Okay. So this is all over the Excel. Now just we move towards step 4. Step 4. Up to this, step 3 is completed. Now step 4. Just you see, balancing the charge. At this position there is no charge. 2 into 2, that is plus 4. 3 into 2, that is plus 6. Okay. 3 to the 6 and 2 to the 4. At which side we have to add acidic medium, so H plus add, so this number and sign become equal. So just I say plus 2, so here plus 6. So here we have to add on reactant side, we have to add 2H plus. So 2H plus aqueous plus H2O2 aqueous plus 2Fe plus 2 aqueous, it gives 2Fe plus 3 aqueous plus 2H2O liquid. Okay. So here just you see, this is step 4 is also completed. Just you see, check the charge. Plus 1 into 2 plus 2, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2 that is 6, 3 to the 6. So both side charge is plus 6 plus 6. Okay. Now we have to balance here only spectator atom, hydrogen only, because oxygen is already balanced. So just you see, hydrogen and oxygen is there. So how many hydrogen is there and how many oxygen is there? Calculate. Sorry. Hydrogen 4, oxygen here 2. Same way, hydrogen 4, oxygen is 2. This is already balanced. Remember, hydrogen is 4, here hydrogen is also 4, oxygen is 2, here oxygen is 2. Now we ionic, whatever the balanced ionic equation for the reaction is already completed, but we have to write elements, hydrogen, oxygen, and then Fe. Okay, Fe, only Fe, don't consider charge. So Fe is 2, here is Fe is also 2. So what is charge? Charge is plus 6 plus 6. Both sides just to check. Plus 6 plus 6. If you write this way, then you got full out of full marks. You got full out of full marks. That is 5 out of 5 marks. And according to that, you have to write step 1, then reaction, step 2, then reaction, step 3, then reaction, step 4, then reaction, step 5, then reaction, and then you have to check whether all element and charge are equal or not. If it is equal, then you got full out of full marks, that is 5 out of 5 marks. So this is a balanced redox reaction. Just I give one homework regarding this particular exercise, and this particular exercise contains, just you see, in a basic medium, first just you see, MnO4 minus plus I minus, it gives MnO2 plus I2 solid. MnO2 solid plus I2 solid in basic medium. This is your homework. 8.18 C is over. Okay, and now 8.18 A, it is in your homework. I write it here. Okay, you balance it. Now, next topic is half reaction. Same whatever the step is there, but we have to bifurcate oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction. So whatever the step is there, it is a change. We have to check the step and we have to write once again. Okay. So we switch on towards lecture number next. That is lecture number 7 is now finished. We complete oxidation number method by two particular one reaction, acidic medium, and another just I gave but basic medium I completed, and acidic medium once again, and another homework 8.18a. Okay, so make a screenshot of this and remember particular steps and sentences regarding balancing of redox reaction by simple oxidation number method.